back to our video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you about our talking diorama. It's with the Makey Makey and Scratch. And here it goes.
This is Tropical Rainforest Diorama. Tropical rainforests are located in the areas near the equator in the tropics. It's very hot and humid here and rains a lot, has big trees and plants, and bright colored birds. The rainforests have most species of plants and animals than anywhere else on the earth. There are 4 layers in rainforest. They are forest floor, understory, canopy, and emergent layers.
So here's the forest floor.
Forest floor. This is the bottom layer of the rainforest. It only gets tiny amount 2% of sunlight. There are many types of insects, amphibians, and reptiles found here. Many forms of fungi grows here. Oak bee, tapir, gorilla grow here.
Here's the understory.
Understory. This is home to different types of birds, insects, reptiles, and predators like leopard, poison dart frogs, ring-tailed coati. 5% of sunlight reaches this layer. Shrubs, herbs, and small trees grow here.
Here's the canopy.
Canopy. It has lots of large trees with big leaves. This is dense forest area. It gets 80% of sunlight and has plenty of food for all animals like squirrel, tree frogs, and toucans. Animals take shelter here and jump, fly, hop, glide to move between the trees. Lots of vines and orchids grow in this zone.
Here's the emergent.
Emergent. Birds and insects live here that help in pollination. The kapok tree is evergreen and has bright flowers with big leaves. Sloth, bats, spider monkeys, hummingbirds, macaw parrot, tarantula, happy eagle, snakes, and butterflies are found here.
So that's our little talking diorama. Bye. Please like and subscribe.